Autumn's Backyard Garden Design Ideas. Welcome to Autumn's Backyard Garden Design Ideas. As the leaves change and the air turns crisp, it's the perfect time to transform your backyard into a cozy oasis inspired by the beauty of fall. In this video, we explore a myriad of creative and stunning garden design ideas tailored for the autumn season. Discover gorgeous autumn blooms, watch as we showcase a colorful array of flowers and plants that thrive in the fall, bringing your garden to life with vibrant hues of red, orange, and gold. Embrace cozy outdoor spaces, learn how to create inviting outdoor lounges and dining areas amidst nature's breathtaking fall foliage. From warm blankets to flickering fire pits, we'll guide you in making your backyard a cozy retreat. DIY Autumn Garden Decor. Get crafty with our easy-to-follow DIY projects. We'll teach you how to make charming rustic lanterns, decorative wreaths, and other autumn-inspired garden accents that add a touch of seasonal charm to your outdoor space. Sustainable gardening tips. Discover eco-friendly gardening practices that not only enhance your garden but also contribute positively to the environment. From composting to rainwater harvesting, we'll share tips for a greener, more sustainable garden. Expert gardening advice. Join our gardening experts as they provide valuable insights on choosing the right plants, maintaining soil health, and dealing with common autumn garden challenges. Their expertise will help you nurture a thriving garden throughout the season. Whether you have a spacious backyard or a cozy balcony, our Autumn's Backyard Garden Design Ideas will inspire you to create a stunning outdoor space that reflects the magic of fall. Don't miss out on transforming your garden into a picturesque haven for the autumnal months. Like, share, and subscribe for more seasonal gardening inspiration.